Nature provides fundamental movements that can be used to access higher levels of awareness. That's one of the things we're going to be talking about on this video. So if you are interested in doing aerials with nunchucks and even making videos and all kinds of other stuff, stay tuned. We're going to be starting right now. Okay, here's a quote. Nature provides fundamental movements that can be used to access higher levels of awareness. Okay? Now, that might sound kind of highfalutin, but it isn't. It's real basic, and it works. And you can see people using drums to get to these levels of awareness. It works the same with nunchucks. Works the same with a lot of different things. But people who want to really excel in their nunchucks, and I mean farther than you can even so far imagine, then you need to incorporate this. And that's one of the things I'm going to be teaching, is how to incorporate that into your practice. Okay? So I want to say thanks again for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed and any of this stuff is of value to you, please subscribe.